Hello and welcome. This is lesson 30 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the Barah Kadi of V. Now, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi: A, A, I, E, U, U, E, I, O, Au, and Aha. And we know about the 36 consonants too, right? We know that we get different sounds of Hindi when we add half consonant to a vowel or half consonant to vowels. And that is what we've been doing till now. We've been adding different half consonants to all the vowels. And in this lesson, we will add this root consonant or half consonant to all these vowels. Okay, so let us start with the first sound, V. V, and you get this sound V when you add V to A. V plus A equal to V. V plus A equal to V. V. And V is pronounced like VA in oval. O-V-L. Oval. O-V-L. Oval. And like VA in Java. 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 Okay. Now let us see how to write V. Okay. Very simple. Yeah. The next sound is Va. 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 And you get this sound Va when you add V to A. V plus A equal to Va. V plus A equal to Va. And Va is pronounced like VA in vast. 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 Okay. Let us see how to write Va. Okay. Yes. The next sound is V. 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 And you get this sound V when you add V to E. V plus E equal to V. V plus E equal to V. V. And V is pronounced like WI in win. 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 And like VI in activity. 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 Okay. And V is written like this. Okay. The next sound is V. V. And you get this sound V when you add V to E. V plus E equal to V. V plus E equal to V. V. And V is pronounced like WEE in weak. 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 Okay. And V is written like this. Okay. Yes. The next sound is Wu. 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 And we get this sound Wu when we add V to U. V plus U equal to Wu. V plus U equal to Wu. Wu. And Wu is pronounced like WOO in wood. 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 Okay. And let us see how to write Wu. Okay. The next sound is woo. woo, woo, and we get this sound woo when we add v to oo. V plus oo equal to oo. V plus oo equal to oo. And oo is pronounced like WOO in wool, 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 woo, wool. Okay, and woo is written like this. All right. The next sound is way, 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 and we get this sound way when we add v to a. V plus a equal to way. V plus a equal to way, way, and way is pronounced like WE in west, west, way, west. Okay, and way is written like this. Okay. The next sound is y, 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 and we get this sound y when we add v to I. V plus I equal to y. V plus I equal to y, y, and y is pronounced like WI in wide, 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 and like VI in y, wa, y, wa, y, wa, y, wa. Okay, and y is written like this. Okay, the next sound is wo, o, wo, and wo is obtained when you add v to o. V plus o equal to wo. V plus o equal to wo, wo, and wo is pronounced like VO in vote, 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 vote. Okay, and wo is written like this. Okay, the next sound is wow, 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 and we get this sound wow when we add v to ow. V plus ow equal to wow. V plus ow equal to wow, wow, and wow is pronounced like WOW, the word wow itself. Wow. Okay, wow, and wow is written like this. Okay, yes. The next sound is wum, 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 and you get this sound wum when we add v to v plus equal to vum. V plus equal to vum, vum, and vum is pronounced like VUM in ovum, 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 ovum. Okay, and vum is written like this. Okay, the last sound is vaha, 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 and you get this sound vaha when you add v to aha. V plus aha equal to vaha. V plus aha equal to vaha, vaha, and vaha is written like this. Okay. Yes. So those are the sounds of v. To recap, it is v plus a equal to v plus a equal to va, v plus e equal to v, v plus e equal to v, v plus u equal to u, v plus u equal to u, v plus a equal to v, v plus I equal to y, V plus O equal to O, V plus OW equal to wow, V plus equal to and V plus aha equal to vaha. Okay. So go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing all the sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.